The check engine light is on because your car's diagnostic system identified a transmission-related issue. Transmission-related issues may reduce overall vehicle performance. If your engine stalls, will not shift gears properly, or the transmission slips, have the vehicle diagnosed and repaired now. Otherwise, this type of fault is not likely to result in a breakdown that could leave you stranded. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair. Your vehicle's transmission delivers the power produced by the engine to the drive wheels. In cars with automatic transmissions, a torque converter connects the engine's crankshaft to the transmission. Your car's computer usually controls operation of the torque converter clutch, energizing it during optimal driving conditions. The car's computer also communicates with the transmission. If the transmission has a problem, a fault signal is sent to the computer. Whenever your car is moving, the computer continuously looks for faults from the transmission. To improve mileage and efficiency on automatic transmission-equipped vehicles, a device called a torque converter clutch is used. When driving conditions are right, the torque converter clutch is applied, connecting the engine directly to the transmission, eliminating efficiency losses due to the torque converter. Based on the trouble code stored by your car's self-diagnostic system, the torque converter clutch circuit is not working or there is a problem with the torque converter clutch circuit performance. There are several things that can cause this issue. Schedule a visit to your local AAA-approved auto repair facility to have the problem diagnosed and repaired. To find a AAA-approved auto repair facility near you, visit AAA.com/auto repair.